Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to share with you how to write a university assignment or university essay. So to do that, you need to meet the following method. You need to write the following method. These 4 steps are a must step that you have to take. You have to write in order of these. Or this should be in order that you have to write. First, you need abstract to tell your audience that what you are telling in your book, they have to taste what you are writing in your book. The second one is the table of contents. So you have to write in detail of every bullet point or what you are talking about. For example, if you are talking about, I'll show you as well as an assignment, but you need to have a table of content. So you have in order. What you are writing should be in order. That's what I mean. The other one is appendix. Appendix means like what you wrote in your book or in your essay. If there is an extra paragraphs, or you need to have like some more information that you give, but the words that you were required already reached, you can go to appendix and write it there. So that means like they are part of your assignment, but they will not be counted like that you overwrote the words that you have been required. So appendix is like the information that you could not fit your normal assignment. Table of reference is where you have your references. Like for example, every paragraph that you wrote, or every whatever you wrote, you have to have a reference if it is not your primary resources. So what we call primary resources is what you devised on your own mind, but we write we quote from someone when we are writing the assignment. So your work or your assignment must have references, because they are not coming from your mind anyways. They are coming from your mind, but you have to change it. But you have to get the idea from Google or books or whatever. And I know, you guys at the university understand that. Okay, I took the first one, subtract. What is subtract? So subtract is a way of describing the contents in your essay or in your assignment. You need to grab the reader's attention so that he or she to become interested in reading more into your essay or assignment. Basically, it is a summary paragraph or 2 paragraph or 3 paragraph. It depends on the words that you have been required. So abstract is not counted as a part of your essay. It's not counted as a part of your essay. So you can write, but it doesn't have to be a lot. It's like maximum 2 or 3 paragraphs to describe as a summary of your content in your book or in your assignment. For example, I took this one. For example, I took from this assignment here. So this assignment is about one of my assignment before that I wrote at the uni here. So it was a routing protocol. So I said networking is a valuable technology that interconnected throughout the globe, which is basically called the internet. You see, the first sentence, the reader can understand what I am going to talk about, which is a networking. And networking, on the other name, is internet. So I said this outstanding technology that connects to us through the rest of the world is delivered by a hardware called routers. Yes, because we have a switches, but switches are local. Routers are the one who transmits the data from one country to another country, from one edge of the world to other edge of the world. Different vendors, different company. What I mean, vendors is a company, have different brands of routers. They make different routers. That includes Juniper, Arista, Hawaii, and so on, Cisco, and so on. But they do the same function, and that is to route or to route networks from different parts of the world to connect it to the world together. That's true, because our internet uses routers, and the user are those who connected the world through different countries. So anywhere in the world that you are, a router will bring you the network from the internet. So in this report, I said the author, which is me, will focus particularly on Cisco routers aspect of it. So I told the reader that my topic is a networking, and what the network does is how is reachability of other side of the part, other side of the parts of the world. So I said this includes how Cisco routers route the packets or route the packets, yeah, and make the decision from multiple paths across various links based on consulting the routing table. The author will also examine the contrast between the control plane, data plane, and management plane. The author also will analyze the cost, health, and safety part associated with the project. Finally, the author will represent network designing, planning, configuration examples of international. Then there's a company that I had to write from it, ATA. So basically now he understands this. The router understands this. The reader understands this, what I am going to talk about in my assignment. So if they have an interest on this subject, they will read more about my assignment. So that is why today today, or for this session, I'm going to conclude how to write abstract. And thank you for taking a time to learn, and hopefully you will start your journey of writing essays when you are at the uni in a confident way, because I already told you what you need to be aware of when you are preparing to write a text, when you are about to write an assignment. So what I'm saying now, we covered this abstract. The next time will be the contents table of how to write the table of contents, and the other time, the third time will be appendix, the information that you could not fit on your book or in your assignment, and the table of reference. So when we cover this, you will have a really good idea how to write an assignment easily in your university. And thank you very much for listening, and please subscribe, share, and like on my videos, so you will have more education from me personally. Thank you very much. Have a great day.